Today's recipe: bread fritters. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Aesthetic Tales. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, 4 garlic cloves, 1 cm ginger, half onion, 1 green chilli, 4 bread slices, cut them into halves, half cup gram flour, water, refined oil. Grind all the veggies. Make a smooth paste. A whisker to mix. Procedure: take a mixing bowl. Now add the besan or the gram flour. Add the paste. You can increase chili paste to make it more spicy. Add salt as per your taste. Add baking soda. Be careful because a little bit more can spoil the batter while frying. Now mix all the ingredients with the whisker. You can use a spoon too. Now gradually add the water. Stir nicely. There should be no lumps. If the batter is too thin, then add a little bit more besan to it. Don't be in a rush while adding water. Be careful while adding it. Don't add water altogether. Whisk until you get a smooth batter. Now here I am using an induction. You can use a normal stove too. So I am setting this in a deep fry mode in 180 centigrade. Now heat a wok or a kadai or wherever you want to fry. Pour the oil. You can use any oil. I have used a refined oil here. When little bubbles will show up at the bottom, your oil is ready to fry. Now dip the bread slice. Coat the slice with the batter. And I'm just getting rid of the excess batter. Now gently release it. Don't do in a rush because you may get burned. Now splash hot oil on the bread, but don't poke it. Flip between intervals. Fry until the slices are golden brown. Now place tissues in a plate to absorb the excess oil. Drain the excess oil before you take it. Bread fritters should look like this. Serve it with ketchup or green chutney. This could be the ideal snack if paired with tea. Just think, it's raining outside. Thanks for watching.